Hey John, good afternoon. My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi Fall River, showing you this beautiful brand new 2023 Audi A5 Prestige. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty John, follow me around this gorgeous Audi A5 Sportback front end here. First thing that you're going to notice is these updated LED headlights coming from the factory from Audi here. Of course, this vehicle is equipped with the black optics package, so you get this nice gloss black trim instead of your typical chrome, and the badging is blacked out as well. You got some front sensors coming along the front of the vehicle, as well as your front camera here as well. Moving along the side, just look at those beautiful LEDs. Absolutely beautiful. Moving around here, Daytona gray pearl, absolutely gorgeous color, one of my favorites coming from Audi. Of course, you are sitting on the beautiful Audi Sport wheels, red calipers to match those, as well as your all-season Continental tires. Can't go wrong there. Blacked out badging on the side here as well. You do have the S-line badging, gloss black mirror caps, gloss black trim as well. Keyless entry on all four doors. Beautiful body lines coming through the vehicle. As we move along the back, you got that beautiful Sportback, super sleek, super elegant. Blacked out badging in the back here, as well as a blacked out rear lip spoiler, dual exhaust tips, and a power tailgate. Now in the back of the vehicle here, you're going to notice LED lighting. You get a privacy cover back here as well. Splits into two pieces. Summer mats, the all-weather mats are already in the vehicle. And of course you do have a trunk liner protector in here as well, but huge trunk space for a regular size sedan. Definitely got a lot of room to fit back there. Now this is a Prestige, so fully loaded. In the back, you're going to have some adjustable climate control for your rear passengers, full leather interior, of course, heated rear seats in this vehicle as well. Every single A5 is going to come standard with frameless doors, so you'll notice that there isn't a frame on the glass. This gives it a little bit more of a sleek, elegant look. Options that are going to be in this vehicle will be right in the cockpit while you'll be sitting here, so let me hop in, show you around. All right, John, thanks for joining me inside the vehicle here. Take a look at this gorgeous dash, fully loaded Audi A5 Sportback. A couple things I want to point out just in the driver's view here. You're going to have seat, mirror, position memory on this vehicle, of course, power folding, blind spot monitoring. You do have heated mirrors as well, power tailgate button from the door as well. All automatic headlights, of course, with a poor weather lighting system if you're in snowy or foggy conditions. Genuine leather wrap steering wheel. Steering wheel is heated. Your virtual cockpit screen above the steering wheel is fully customizable, so you do have the ability to take your navigation system, put it right in the screen here, so big fan of that. Heads-up display is going to be standard on the Prestige, which you'll see right above the dashboard displaying onto the windshield. This vehicle is equipped with, besides the heated steering wheel, you have heated leather seats, air-conditioned seats in the vehicle as well. Also, you do have a full ambient lighting system in this vehicle, all LEDs, color customizable. Overhead camera view, which you have the ability to pull up a wide-angle front view camera if you're pulling into a intersection where maybe you can't see oncoming traffic. Also, a couple other views I really enjoy are the front wheels and the back wheels if you're looking to pull into a parking space. You don't want to curb the wheels or anything like that. Nice little feature there. Of course, also you're going to have park assist in this vehicle, being a Prestige, so the vehicle will parallel park for you if you're having trouble, and just a nice little extra goodie in there. Climate control, all fully customizable, of course. 3 zones, passenger, driver, and rear passengers have fully adjustable climate control. So just overall, I want you to get a nice beautiful view of this dashboard. Really breaks things apart. Even though you do have a black interior, you do have this nice pattern, sort of a gloss gray, I would say, inlay. And then of course you got some gloss black running through the vehicle, all leather. With these seats, and the door cards are going to be leather as well, with some white stitching just to break things apart. So overall, just a nice overall elegant, minimalistic, simple but elegant view of what you're looking at sitting in this vehicle here. All weather mats are already in the vehicle. Of course, your mirror is going to be frameless up top, auto dimming, of course. You have some controls up top here for your sunroof, as well as roadside assistance and first aid if you need police, ambulance, or fire department. Alrighty, John, thanks for joining me here today over at Audi Volkswagen Fall River. I hope this video gave you a little bit more insight on what the A5 Prestige is all about here. I can't wait to see you later on this afternoon. Show you around all of our inventory. We'll pick one out that works for you. But otherwise, if you have any additional questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out to me directly at 774-322-1975, or you can call the store directly at 508-678-5555. But otherwise, again, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for stopping by.